Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS draft module. In the previous video, we have seen how to create sheet in AVEVA PDMS from the template. Okay, in this video, we will discuss about how to insert a view, user defined view from the database which is available from the design module. Okay, so for that you first need to select a sheet, right click, open a sheet. Now it is already opened, and then you can go to create view and you can start with user defined view. A name will appear. You can rename that view as, let us say, equipment underscore 01 in this case. Okay, and a dialog box will appear for user defined view. There are three things we need to understand. One is the general settings, one is the scale settings for that view, and one is the intelligent text. Okay, in general settings, that is basically what you want to view. You can give a title, let us say front, click there, front view, and say view type is basically universal hidden lines, so that will include everything. Okay, and then style will be again general basic. Okay, you can have different styles for different sections. These are the inbuilt styles from the AVEVA PDMS. Hatching rule is again what kind of things you want to include. We basically start with hatch general so that it will include everything, and then you can have the direction, which is, let us say, east. For now I am using east direction for my view. And then scale, I will say, for now you can have scale of 50, 1:50, and then we can modify that. And intelligent text is basically a what kind of positional codes you want to use. Mostly we follow ENU, that is east, uh, north and up. Okay, and the below you will find attributes option, which will basically control the attributes and colors. And then there is update design on apply. So we will say update this design whenever I click on apply. Okay, now the problem is what to include in this view. That can be done from the graphics menu. In the same tab there are two options. One is the draw list and one is the draw list reference. Okay, I will be covering one whole video on separately on draw list. Okay, so we will start with draw list. What you can do is you can create a new draw list. Okay, we call it as a idli because IDLI1 is the basic code, and I will name it as equipment 1 again, EQ01. We will name it as EQ01 for the draw list. And in this draw list I want to add something, so I will go to, say, practice site, sorry, not practice site, I will go to demo equipment, and I am adding just one equipment in this. So I can say add, and that equipment is added in my draw list. Then I can say dismiss. So I have created one draw list and I have added that equipment in a draw list. Now I want to show that equipment in this particular view. So what you can do is go to graphics, draw list reference, select the draw list idly EQ01 which we have created just now, and say display. That will be added in the current display of my view. You can also modify draw list from this point. Okay, that option is also available. Dismiss, apply, dismiss, and once I say apply, you can check whether this scale of your equipment is proper or not. If you want to increase or reduce the scale, you can always go here, update a scale, and then say update design and apply. Okay, right now I am comfortable with this scale. I am just trying to insert this equipment in the drawing area, so I will say dismiss. Now how to control this view? You have to use this model editor modify mode option. Keep it on always. Click on the edge of your view, and then these blue dots will guide you to basically control the view area for the specific view, and then click outside. That will control your view area. Again click on the edge, The center point will make sure that you can edit that view position, and you can just drag, click to make sure that view is in proper position in which you want it to get it displayed. Okay, so this is how we can create view, add different elements in that view. Okay, in a draw list you can add multiple options. I will show you in the next video how to create different draw list and keep it ready for adding any view. So this is how you can insert a view in AVEVA draft module. Okay, let us meet in next video with the draw list option. Thank you for joining. If you like the content, do share the information with your friends. Like my channel, subscribe my channel for the recent updates. Thank you for joining.